Okay guys, so welcome to part two. Now we've understand the formulas and what density is and how to use those formulas. We can start to answer questions, okay? So here is the question. It says a gold ingot with dimensions shown has mass 12.36 kilograms. Find the density of gold. Okay, so all we've got to do here is work out, if we want to know density is equal to mass over volume. Well, density then is equal to the mass, which is 12.36, divided by the volume. Well, what is the volume? Okay, so you've got to remember that this shape, a gold ingot, is a trapezoidal prism. A trapezoidal prism. Okay, so we should remember that all we need to do to work out the volume of a prism is cross-sectional area times length. And the cross-section is a trapezium. So the trapezium is going to have this, these dimensions here. So it's going to be 6, 10, and 4. So we should pretty easily be able to work out the area of the trapezium because we remember the formula. Area is equal to A plus B times H over 2, where A and B are the parallel sides of the trapezium and H is the perpendicular height. So 6 plus 10 times 4 divided by 2, which is 32, I believe. So the area of the trapezium is 32 centimeters squared times the length, which is 20, is going to become 640 centimeters cubed. Okay, so I have now been able to work out the volume of the trapezoidal prism. Now, very easy to fall into a trap here because I can now say it's 12.36 divided by the volume 640. I'm just going to use a calculator for that. 12.36 divided by 640, which would be equal to 0.0193, to three significant figures. But what's the unit of measure? Well, this would be kilograms per centimetre cubed. Now that is a silly unit of measure. Remember, it's either grams per centimetre cubed or kilograms per metre cubed. So that's wrong, basically. I mean, it's not wrong, but we would never write our answer like that. What I need to do is I need to change this 12.36 kilograms, times it by 1,000. That will be 12,360 grams. Okay, so let's change that to grams. That's the easiest way to do it. It's easier to change between kilograms and grams than it is between centimeters cubed and meters cubed, because you guys keep getting that wrong. So 12360, and so now do that instead. So 12360 divided by 640, and that be equal to 19.3 grams per centimetre cubed. And that is close to the real answer, the density of gold. You can Google it if you like and look at what the actual density of gold is. Okay, it's about 19.3 grams per centimetre cubed. Okay, so please make sure you don't mix up units here. You get kilograms and centimetres cubed. We don't do that. It's grams per centimetre cubed or kilograms per metre cubed. Right, what about this one? Diagram shows a solid triangular prism. The prism is made from wood and has a mass of 643.8 grams. The density of wood is 1.85 grams per centimetre cubed. Calculate the length of the prism. So it's basically asking you to find out what this length x is. Well, the first thing we need to do is be able to find the volume of the prism. So volume is equal to mass over density. Okay, so that's going to be 643.8 grams over 1.85 grams per centimetre cubed. So that's going to be 643.8 divided by 1.85, which is 348. And there's no mixing of units here, so I'm happy that that's 348 centimetres cubed. Now, how do we find the volume of this triangular prism? We do the cross-sectional area, which is the area of the triangle. So 8 times 6 over 2, please remember it's a triangle. So it's area at base times height and half it, times by x. And we know that the volume has to be 348. So I found the right formula, volume equals cross-sectional area times length. Okay, I put in what I know. I know volume 348, I know the cross-sectional area. What I don't know is the length, and I get an equation, and I simply solve that equation. So 348 equals 24x. Now divide both sides by 24. And the answer is 14.5 centimetres. Okay, that classic, I keep saying it. Find the right formula, put in the numbers that you know, and what you don't know, call x, and then solve the equation. It's how almost every maths problem needs to get solved. Okay, little quick exam style question here, so stop your video and have a go. Okay, the trick to this one is you're mixing up units. So you need to convert 384.5 kilograms to grams, okay? Which is what they did here. And then it becomes easy. It's just grams divided by grams per centimetre cubed, mass divided by density. And so you're going to get 49,295 centimetres cubed to the nearest centimetre cubed, okay? Oops. Right, that's your introduction videos finished. If you got any questions, please do not hesitate